Welcome to DelphStack. If the Read Aloud feature in Microsoft Edge is not working, here is how to fix it quickly. First, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the feature just fails to load properly the first time. Make sure the page actually supports Read Aloud. Some PDFs or protected pages will not allow it to work correctly. Next, check your internet connection. The Read Aloud feature depends on online voices, so a weak connection can stop it completely. Now restart Edge completely. Close all tabs, reopen the browser, and test the feature again. If it still does not work, update Edge. Go to Help and Feedback, click About Microsoft Edge, and install the latest version to fix any bugs. Another common issue is sound settings. Make sure your system volume is up and the correct output device is selected. Try switching voices manually. Open Voice Options and choose a different voice to see if it starts working. Disable extensions because some of them interfere with playback. Turn them off and test again. You should also clear browser cache. Go to Privacy Settings, clear browsing data. Select cached files. Then restart Edge. If nothing works, reset Edge settings to default. This removes any broken configurations causing the issue. After these steps, the Read Aloud feature should work smoothly again without any problems. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.